Love to do my blush first because I don't like concealer staying on my face for too long before setting it. Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So today we are doing a Christmas inspired makeup. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy. If you're a returning subscriber, come and get your hug. So let's just go into this video. So with my skin prep done, I'm going to move into foundation application. I use this to bring up my foundation. It's almost finished, so I cannot waste these ones I have here. If you don't know how to prep your skin, this card here will help you. I'll be blending with my brush today. Let's add whatever that is left on the brush to the forehead. This is how to get a natural look. But you can still add foundation on your forehead if you wish to. So for contour, I'm taking that dark shade and I'm adding just a little here. The shade is quite dark, so I don't need so much of it. Then I'll blend. Starting from the brow, and then we're ending in here. Okay, let's blend the nose parts. Blend to your brows. And don't forget, not too much product, okay? So for blush, I'm going with red, then, but not so much, you know. So it's time for concealer. You can do your concealer first, you can do your highlights first before your blush. But me, I love to do my blush first because I don't like concealer staying on my face for too long before setting it. But if you're okay with that, you can do it first, okay? Let's blend that out. To set the face, I'm using my sponge to set today. You can use your sponge or powder puff. Sponge is easier for me, to be honest. You see the difference now? Set, not set yet. So let's finish up. I'm just going to do my brows off the camera and I'll be right back. And in case you're struggling with your brows, you don't know how to do it yet, I am going to leave a playlist here for you. I have a lot of videos there, so you watch them. It will guide you on how to do your brows, okay? I'll be right back. Just stay. I'm back. I'm done with my brows. I'll be moving on to eyeshadow, but before that I need to bake my face because I'll be using a lot of shimmers and it's likely to drop. So I don't know if I'm using shimmers though, but I know the eyeshadow might drop, so let me just bake. I'm done with that. Let me move on with eyeshadow primer. Having these powders under the eye will help me get rid of any eyeshadow fallout. Yes, that's why I bake the face. I'm going to be starting with this green. It's Christmas inspired, so green, red, black. So after the green, I'll be going in with black, not so much, to blend the outer corner. Using black to blend here. So it's time to cut the crease. Let's cut the crease. You guys know how we do it, right? I'm going in with my red eyeshadow. I hope this eyeshadow will pop because the red is not that sharp. Taking some green down to blend out. We don't want harsh lines. I'm okay with the eyeshadow like this, but that's not all. I want to use some rhinestones on it, red and green. Let's see. I'm starting with just these 3 stones. Yes. So for my liner, I'm using black liner. Let's line. Let me add the lashes I want to use. I'll be using a very small lash. Yes, so just small. I'm done with the lashes. I don't want it big so that the eyes can still be noticeable. So it's time to dust off this excess setting powder here. So for powdered brush, I'll be going in with this. Oh, hope I've not added too much already. Ooh. Take a half. I have too much on this side. Okay, no problem. I'm going to soften that. And for the lips, I'll be going for black and red ombre. I'm first of all going to start by lining my lips. I want to overline today. It's Christmas, so we need to be extra, so let's overline. I paint the day anew. Draw shadow makes the sky less blue. Lifestyle treasure shared with hearts so true. A place for everyone for me. I'm first of all going to go in with this shade. It's Hot Flame from Classic. If you're working with Classic, you know that it should be very fast. Elevated, you'll thrive. Lifestyle tips that help. Oh, it's mad. That's what we have now. So going in now with my red from Avoir Cosmetics. This is number 20. I don't know if they've changed their lip symbol. It's been long I got this shot. Can't see. So this is what we have in the end. Is that cool? So I would have loved to leave it like this, but it's Christmas. We are not going easy, so I have to gloss it, make it shiny. And this is the spray I'm using, Skin Mist from Omari Coach. It's a matte spray. Let's spray. After the setting spray, don't forget the under eye. You need to brighten it up. For highlighter, I already have sheet glaze here, so I'm not adding highlighter there. So I'll just add here, tip of my nose, and then the bridge of the nose. So that's it's very shiny as well. And this is it, my lovelies, our Christmas inspired look. Yes, Christmas is not a time to take it easy, so we didn't take it easy. It's a time to shine bright, brighter, shine, colors, black, green, red, and all of that you can see on my face right now. So we are actually looking like a Christmas tree in a way. Yes. So with that, my lovelies, we come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. I paint the day anew. Draw shadow makes the sky less blue. Lifestyle treasure shared with hearts so true. A place for everyone, for me and for you. Joy shadow.